G'day everyone, and welcome back to another day in the shed. So if you haven't seen the last episode yet, definitely check it out. There was some 4 really cool cameras in that lot. So yeah, definitely have a look out for that. Today we've got another 4 cameras, obviously. This one, I'm assuming is a folding camera again. Very thin, nice amount of weight to it. I like it when they're heavy. This one's a bit lighter. This one, I've got no idea what this is. I don't know. Can't feel any lenses. Oh, the lens, okay, it goes that way maybe. No idea. This one's got a nice weight about it. We'll go to the folding camera first, eh? This one must be a 120, a medium format folder, I reckon. Awesome. Voigtlander Bessa 1. This is a big camera. It's definitely seen better days, this one though. The leatherette's coming off a bit, but I'm just hoping it works. A little stand. I love trying to figure out how to open all these stupid things up. No, they're not stupid. So by the looks of it, you can adjust whether it's a 6x9, which would explain why long it is, or a 4x6. Oh, okay, because there's different viewfinders in there. That would make sense. Alright, now it's got to get it open. Like that. Smells old. This is cool. I'm really hoping this works. Look at the size and back there. 6x9. Does that change that? I'm wondering if I can, maybe there's attachments, maybe there's attachments that go in there that you can get that change the aspect ratio. But anyway, I'm more than happy with 6x9. Let's see if this bad boy works. Should probably mention it has a Voigtlander 105mm f3.5 lens. So yeah, super happy with this if it works. Moment of truth. Or untruth. There we go. No. What am I doing wrong, everyone? You're probably yelling at me, going, "It's simple, Thomas." Anyway, on to the next camera. I'll figure it out later. Or maybe I won't. So that one's the second medium format camera we've got so far in this collection. Back to the Zeisses. A Zeiss Collara. It's kind of cool. Rubber lens hood. How do you take that off? Screws on. This one looks really cool. I like this. The lens is really nice. And we've got a Nova 45mm f3.5. That is a super bright viewfinder. So if you didn't hear me with my muffled voice then, that viewfinder is really nice. 3.5, how do you open it? Very compact. Well, that was 30th. Well, let's go up to 250. Cool. Very happy with this one. Seems to be in really good condition. It's got a little proper Zeiss UV filter on the front. This one seems to be in really good condition. Happy with that. I'm gonna leave that one to last because I think it might be interesting, maybe. This one's heavy. The Voigtlander is probably heavier though. This is cool. Number Voigtlander, Bessomatic. Ooh, that's pretty funky. What's that doing? I don't know a lot about these old cameras, but anyway, when you twist that, whatever that is, that would be, so that's film speed. Yeah, so that's film speed up here. When you twist that, it moves some stuff down there for whatever reason. Does this one have a light meter in it? Oh yeah, so it's got the light meter on the front. Why are some cameras so hard to use? This one, easy. This, probably easy. I just haven't figured it out yet. Anyway, has a 50mm f2.8 Voigtlander Scopar lens. Just don't know how to use it. I don't know. Figure that out later. There's a common theme here. I don't know how to use many of these cameras. Maybe it's me. Glad I didn't drop that. Oh, so it's got a little, another, oh, this one's, okay. Alright, so this is if you want this one. Ugh, I'm not making much sense here. An EXA 1A, which might be similar to one we've previously gotten, but this one has, oh, that's super cool. So we've got a Meyer Optic Domiplan. I'm probably not saying that correct, but anyway. 50mm f2.8. And again, don't know how to use it. Don't know. That's cool. Looking forward to giving these a go. So there's our 4 cameras today. And I don't know which one's my favourite, to be honest. They're all very different cameras. Well, these two are rather similar, but this one has the different viewfinder, which I can't find the name of, so don't laugh at me. I like that it's all in one action. Some of the others you have to fold in the sides and the back, and fiddly, that one's really nice. But I know I'm not doing something right. No idea. And it's cool that it comes with this other eyepiece if you want to just look through it normally. If this fella's working, then this one would have to be my favourite. But I'm looking forward to giving them all a run. All right. Let me know which one's your favourite, and also if you have any tips and tricks on how to actually use them. Look forward to hearing it. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.